Hello, welcome. Today we're going to look at my income and expenses from my online business. This consists of YouTube, courses, digital products, sponsorships, Instagram, all of the different things. This was actually my highest month, my second highest month ever in my business. And the February 2021, I did have an $8,000 month. So this was not quite as high as that one, but this was still a really good month. And I learned a lot of things that I want to implement for next year and months going forward. We're going to look at my analytics. We're going to look at all different things. So jumping right in, affiliate marketing was $1,414.38. That was a great month for affiliate marketing. It was 21% of my income for the month. Next was digital products, $60.89. This was actually really low for me. My digital products have been way down lately, so I definitely need to work on promoting them more in December and January. Those are actually the prime months for digital products just because of New Year's resolutions and the type of products that I sell. Next is YouTube ad revenue was $968.96. So let's take a look at my analytics on my two different channels. Here's my main channel, 50,000 subscribers, and let's look at the analytics for November. So real time here. So for November, I had 71,000 views, 6,000 hours of watch time, 400 subscribers, and $1,272.01 in ad revenue. So that's going to be coming out for next month. And my top videos were 50 easy frugal living tips. Two of those actually, these do really well on my channel, so I've made a few of them because hey, if it's working, keep on going. So this one I made in March 2021, and this one I made in September. Next, what to pack for Amazon or for Operation Christmas Child's shoebox was just under 4,000. How to redeem a gift card, Visa in Fetch Rewards. Another Operation Christmas Child's one. I'm really struggling, raw and unscripted. Why I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore. These are my top videos there. Let's look at content. So 70,000 views, impressions, 712,000, 6.1% click-through rate, and average view duration is 5 minutes, 25 seconds. So you can see here that 81% of people continue to watch after 30 seconds for 50 easy frugal living tips, which is awesome. And these are my top videos that we saw here. Let's look at revenue. I always love looking at revenue here. And I'm going to go to top earning content. And this is something that I really actually study a lot, because if we're looking at our top revenue, so this column right here, the 50 easy frugal living tips, I made $154 this month, which is great. Had 7,800 views, and it had a CPM of $34. So for every 1,000 people, YouTube paid for every 1,000 views, YouTube paid $34. Now, that's not $34 coming to me, that's $34 coming total. So I make 60% of that. So keep that in mind too when you're looking at CPM, that you're gonna make 60% of it. So if we scroll down a little bit here, we can look at our CPM, and this one jumps out at me because it's over $100. So $108 CPM was $9.08 that I made total for only 152 views, and that was side hustles you can do from home. Let's see here, this one was also $108, and that was a old Capital One 360 review. I made this video back in 2019, so it's an old video, but it's still making me money, which is great. So this is why CPM pay is so important, because you can see here that depending on the view. So let's look at this one here. This one has more views than this one, even though they're making about the same amount of money. It has more views, but I'm making the same. That's because the CPM is lower on it. So CPM consists of the type of content it is. It depends on the ads, all of that. Right now we're in high CPM for the holidays. So in January, the CPM is going to drop a lot. You're going to see that. But in November, December, it is high paying dollars for CPM. Switching over to my second channel, my tutorial channel, I'm working towards monetization on this one. As you can see, I have 936 subscribers on this channel, and we are plugging away or trying to reach monetization. I'm tracking my monetization with this tracker here that you can download for yourself and below in the description box. If we look at the last 365 days, I have 1.4 thousand hours of watch time. So I need 4,000 hours. So I'm a little bit over 25% of the way there, but it's a struggle. It is slow watching. So keep on watching. Watch some playlists. Give me all of the watch time hours. It really helps out my channel, and I appreciate it so much. So let's go to November here, and we can see here. So in November, I had 4.9 thousand views. Watch time was 146.6 hours of watch time. So plugging along, but I need a lot more than that every single month to hit my goal, to reach my monetization goals. But we can see that we've definitely had a couple spikes here. This day was 9.6 hours, and then this one was 8.4. So that's great. Top videos, this is a short. This unfortunately does not count towards monetization for watch time hours. Shorts are not included in it, and neither are unlisted videos. So if you're trying to reach monetization, just keep that in mind. But Etsy thumbnail, a lot of Etsy videos, 30 best digital downloads to sell. This video has done really well, so I decided to make another one of it as well. And that was this one, 30 digital download passive income ideas. I came up with 30 new ideas to do this video. And then here are my videos for the month. Okay, so that was ad revenue. So as you guys saw, it's only on my main channel. My second channel is not monetized yet, but we're working towards it. My goal is to get monetized by the end of Q1 of 2023. So it's a lofty goal, but I'm really motivated to get that goal and working on some really fun content for you guys. And you watching this video right now helps me reach that watch time goal. So because this is on that channel. So watch all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Next is my blog ad revenue. I made $111.04, and that is for the blogs that I put out. I think I did 4 or 5 blogs this month. So benefits, retirement for Roth IRA, 5 easy recipes with pantry ingredients, October business income report, 7 ways to cut your bills in half, and 11 ways to deal with burnout. So those were the blogs that we put out this month, which was great. Next is Instagram Reels. So I am part of their partner program with Instagram where I get bonuses. Typically it's $100. This month I only made $70. So that was way lower than I typically make, which is not good, but it is what it is. Next is courses. I have 2 courses. I have a entrepreneurship course called Dreamer to Profitable, and also a course that is super on sale right now for only $19 on how to save money on groceries. So between the 2 courses, I made $162.83. Next is Patreon 3236. This I have all of my personal budget. So right now you're watching my business. So it's the same type of video, but for my personal family budget is on Patreon. And then all of my digital products are there as well in a library for people to download. No speaking, no coaching this month, but I did have an awesome month with sponsorships. So sponsorships this month, I made $3,650, and that was between 3 different sponsorship deals between YouTube, blog, and Instagram and TikTok. So 3 different deals for $3,600. And I realized that advertisers are definitely willing to pay in the last quarter of the year. And I feel like I really missed out on a lot of opportunity. So I'm right now pitching them for Q1. Typically their ad rate goes down in Q1. They're not really pushing, but that's prime time for them. That's prime time because people have New Year's resolutions, and it's really great time for people because they want to get their money in order and they want to, use these products. So I'm pitching hard now for Q1, and I've put in my planner to start pitching for Q4 and Q3. So in the summertime, I'm going to be really pitching these brands hard of saying, hey, let's do some stuff. Let's work together. I've got big ideas and big goals, because I want to hit this big next year. I really want to have my goal is at least $10,000 of my revenue coming from sponsorships for the year. So I got to hit it big for the year. Total income was $6,471.20. All right, let's look at expenses. I do want to say that I have a blog on this as well that goes into a little bit more detail of all of the income streams and breaks it down for you. So check out that blog in the description box as well. All right, expenses. Education, I bought some books and a planner that doesn't come out. I pre-ordered it, but trying to invest in myself, in my education. So $79.06 on education. No labor. I didn't hire anyone this month. Supplies and expenses. Had to get some things for just mic adapters, studio lighting, different things like that. Was $123.31. No travel expenses this month. No marketing expenses this month. Dues and subscriptions is always super high. It takes a lot to run, the back end of my business. There was some that were yearly, annual stuff. Like this one right here was annual expense, but a lot of behind the scenes stuff was $885.41. No food expenses this month. So total of all expenses was $1,087.78. Total revenue was $6,471.20. Owner's pay was $4,529.84. This is how much I paid to myself to support my family, to put food on my table, to pay my mortgage, all of that, and to contribute to my family's bills was $4,000. Operating expenses, so 30% of my total revenue is $1,941. That's my goal to spend in my business every month, to be reinvesting in my business. So as you saw, I spent $1,087. So I was short $853. So that goes into a savings account that I have. So if there's months that I need to invest $5,000 into my business, or I have a conference, or I need to hire someone and pay them all up front, I have money that I can pull from in my business. So that's my business account of $853.58. Hours worked was 85.88 hours. I track all of my time in Toggle, and let me show you here. So 85 hours and 53 minutes was the total. You can see my days here. I did take a couple days off this month, which was awesome. That is my goal, to be taking more days off. And so we can see here all of the different hours in time here, which is great. So that gives me an hourly rate of 75.35 hours. So that was a decent hourly rate. My goal is $100 an hour, but I'll do $75. That's working in the right direction. Let me make this a little bit smaller. So this is the total year, and I track. So this was November here. So we can see total for the year for affiliate marketing, I brought in $12,706.23. Digital products is $2,231.92. Google AdSense was $12,043.13. Blog ad revenue is $497.10. Instagram was $1,137.05. Courses at $3,868.14. Patreon at $332.13. Speaking $170.90. Coaching $653.33. Sponsors $8,535.04 for a total so far for the year of $42,182. My goal is to hit 50K for this year, so need about 8K this month, so we'll see if it happens for December. It's definitely a stretch goal, but hey, anything's possible. We can definitely do it. We've got, big things happening, and I think I can do it, but we will see. And that is the month. If you want to know some ways that you can make money from home, some side hustle ideas to make money from home, check out this video here.